Aaron Carpio, bang, 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 3 points. Last 2 minutes. The round 2 ng ating semi-final game, ELC Printing House Opening Divisional Basketball League bosses up. Party's on! Let's get it on! Bakbakan na! Simulan naman na sa ating unang laban ngayong gabi. Ito po yung pangalawang gabi ng ating pong round 2 semi-finals. Hilupe! Bang! 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 Batang Conde, yung last time na talagang umi-score 14 ng patahian, binigay kay Dodi Rosales, wala pa rin pagtibag para sa talaan. Conde, the left hand. Nadansa, humahanap ng espasyo. Easy layup, no good by Nadansa. Hindi pumasok, pero Orpiano to the rescue in a following day. 2 points, Orpiano po yung nagaganap na ating basketball action. Ganda ng iwas play ng Conde, pero hindi tumama ng puntos. And Howard recovered 2 points sa ating semi-final round. Magaganap na ngayong gabi o nagaganap na ang ating Limami Julicia walay hassle. Patuloy kong abante ng 4 na padala sa ating first quarter. Shot lock down to 6. Abdurrahman loses for 3. Abdurrahman! Double team ng Kilyupe. Tinggalin ni Abdurrahman. Babasagin yung depensa by Lipras. Sending back for Lipras to Das. Good for 2 points by Lipras. Action for quarter number 1 with 1 minute and 54 seconds to go. Abdurrahman. Shake and a fake. Jumper for 3. Abdurrahman! Lalamangan itong team ng Palawan Pawn Shop. Lawan po sa team ng PNL. Conde hindi papayag na walang bawi. 2 points by Conde. Palawan Pawn Shop. Nakakabarya ba? Numero 27 ni Pras. Inside. Conde na naman. 2 points. Team ng mga tagapatahiyan ni Orlando. Oh! Wala ng space! Nice move. Magandang pagkat ng mga kasama. Atin po yan sa atin ang Palawan play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3-pointer for 3. Kaboom! Abdurrahman! 1, 2, 3! Quarter, lugod by Nadansa. Recovery by Nadansa. Almost out of control. Pero good po yun. Kanyang dribble. And Mark Mandanay! 2-pointers. Radang Mala Nowitzki. And a jumper for 2 points. Isang sibad na naman. Net mula kay Nadansa number 7 sa kanyang muling pagpasyal sa ating free throw lane. Outside jumper. Conde Kaboom! 3 points! PNL Basketball! Conde applied. What a play by Conde ng barangay Kamuning na si Kilyupe. Ni Pras Dodi Rosales without hesitation. 23. Magandang bakbakan na nagaganap dito sa ating round to semi-finals ng ELC Printing House Anniversary Basketball League. Huli ng Dodi Rosales and going to the front court ni Pras on attack. Bang! 2-pointers. Kanagod. Itong Kilyupe bibigay kay Nadansa. Sa Kamuning, 2-pointer! Last in the final free throw by Nadansa. Good for 1. Itong Conde, pero matibay yung konting defender. Ni Pras number 27 on flight off the window. 2. Ito natitirang oras. Dodi Rosales, binigay bola kay Ni Pras. Ibibigay sa bandang kaliwa. Conde, 2-pointers! Itong kaibigan from Canada. Back to the ballgame, third quarter! Third quarter underway, outside jumper, Kato! Jumper for 2 points, bingo, not nice! Bakit? Magandang pagkaka-deliver at napaka-smooth na transaction ng Nadansa was brought to us by Palawan Play. 2 points! Palawan Pawn Shop, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jomar Morales, the space, J. Good by Jomar. Reload is on miss. Good for 2 points. Jomar move against 34 in favor by 7 points. Ang team ng Palawan Pawn Shop pa rin ay isang linggong abante. Magiging 9, good for 2 points. Panalo dahil galing sa talo sa BCB itong team ng PNL. Jomar Morales! Wala po kay Ma'am Ekang Guevara. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for watching. Sa 4 minutes and 55 seconds natin natitira. Libresma, Pupokol, dadagdag ng bukan. Jomar Morales, Libresma attack. Ang batang Isoy, unti-unti nang kumaapoy. Good for... Ini-enjoy ng mga spectators sa ating pong ball game, number 27. Ball game, number 27. What a play! Isang tiradang malas sa panalo itong team ng Palawan Pawn Shop at galing sa talo naman sa unang laban for round 2, itong team ng PNN, Ledesma, good for 2 points. Pras mga kaibigan, parang motorsiklong bumangga sa mga nakatambay na Roro, 2 points. Iliope laban kay Bintulan, pumorma sa tatluhan, wala pang defender, wala pang ofensiba sa gitna, but Iliope from downtown will step back in a 3-pointer, kaboom! Ganda naman ang play, Conde, 3 points! Sponsor, rather than GSC House, 100 shot, let's go! Conde for 3 points! 47, 49, 67. Lamang na lamang itong team ng Palawan Pawn Shop. Outside jumper, 2-pointers by Tahan. Polo from the board, taking it ball defensively. Abdurrahman sa bandang kaliwa. Hit na naman ang batang taga Sopronio Española. Here first game, 2 minutes and 13 seconds to go. 2 minutes and 10. On the glass, Ladanza, 2-pointers. Only 1 minute and 35 seconds na lamang ng ating ball game. The move, how 2-pointers. Pangawang play. Balik tayo sa ating laro. And our TUP inside Molo, 2-pointers. De La Cruz, number 8, 2-pointers. 75 again.